Hey everyone, it's Bailey here. I'm going to be giving you guys a brief tutorial on how to use NEFs online ordering form. So to jump right in, you're going to start by reading the rules for ordering. This is a very important step in the process of online ordering. You want to make sure that you have a good understanding of this before continuing on so that there's no delays in the delivery of your package. If you've shopped with us in store, they're the exact same rules as in-store shopping. So once you feel comfortable enough, you can go ahead and head on to the next page by clicking the arrow at the bottom of the page. Here's where you'll make your store selections. By clicking on an item, the bar will turn red to let you know that it's been selected. If a number pops up underneath here, that's going to be a student item that you can select up to 30 of. If you select an item and a number does not pop up underneath it, that's going to be a teacher item and only one will be sent per order. So as you go through, I recommend keeping a tally of how many items you've selected so that you don't exceed the 30 item limit. If that does happen, we will only send the first 30 items selected on your order. Once you get to the bottom here, you'll see there are some preferences for you to make. Once you've done that, you can head on to the next page to make your library selections here. This is the same process as the previous page. You'll make a selection by clicking on the item that you want and then selecting how many items you want by putting the number on there. So you'll see I have 10 teacher-led, 10 fourth grade, and 10 Spanish. At the bottom of the page here, again, there's going to be preferences for you to select. If you notice here, this secondary Spanish level is labeled as sold out. Please do not make this as a selection as it will not be sent in your order. This next page is going to be where you input all of your employee information so that we can send it to your campus. Please make sure this is 100% correct before continuing so that there's no delays in getting your package to you. If you're unsure what a partial order is, go ahead and go on to the next page so that you can read here what that means. And there's also some delivery tips and reminders as well. On this last page, you're going to click this red button to make sure that it is submitted. If this does not get clicked, it will not submit your order. You also have the opportunity to make or take a short survey to let us know about your shopping experience. So before clicking this red button, make note of how much money you've saved by shopping with NEF. Do a little happy dance and click that button. Once you've received this page, you'll know that your order has been submitted successfully and you'll receive an email shortly to confirm your order. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day.